is here, along with our buddy, Biggie. Oh, what is this? Oh, it looks like Biggie had a little accident. Biggie. Okay, well look, they brought us this bright pink hairbrush, but I don't know what it's for. Huh. And a magical purple cupcake? This looks delicious. It smells like grape too. Wow, that's amazing. But I don't think it's a real cupcake. Oh, it's a cupcake surprise. Princess Tails. Wow, it says scented, try me. Whoa. Okay, maybe the princess is gonna jump out of the box. Let's count to 3 and let's see if she pops out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, maybe if we open it up. Whoa, what? Really is a princess inside here. I can't believe it. It's like magic. Magic on Christmas Day. And look at all that glitter. Her dress is so beautiful. Oh, look at her. But she's missing her hat, her little cupcake hat. We'll have to put it on as soon as we brush her hair. Okay, just have to style it up a little bit. Fluff, fluff, fluff it up. You gotta fluff, fluff, fluff it up. Okay, that looks much better. Yes, that's the look we're going for. Okay, let's put this on very carefully. Oh, she says I'm a little pretty Cinderella. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do, and see all the magical toys. Well, don't forget to hit that like button in the face, and as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching.